Hi, I just wanted to show you how the aloe vera works. It's an antioxidant, meaning it detoxifies, it cleanses our bodies of all the toxins, smoke, fats, things we eat, that deposit things in our body, things we drink, things we inhale, things we can't help, that even things we put on our bodies, on our skin, some of them deposit toxins in our body. So this is water. Water is representing our bodies clean, pure, fresh when we're born, without any crap added. So now I'm going to pollute this water with iodine. Why iodine? Because iodine is one of the strongest, most potent oxidizing agents on the periodic table. You put it on wounds, it dries up the wounds. It's a drying agent, it's an aging agent. So we pollute this water with this iodine. Oxidation is basically, if you cut an apple open, it's white. When it starts turning brown, that means it's oxidizing. So this water has now been effectively polluted with iodine, representing our bodies in its polluted state. As you can see, it looks like urine. When you're really sick, your urine is this color. When you're healthy and you're drinking a lot of water, your urine shouldn't be this color. So this is representing a polluted state of our bodies, which eventually causes weakness, sicknesses, and all that. This is aloe vera, antioxidant. There's a lot of antioxidants out there, but I like aloe vera because it also nourishes, apart from just cleansing and detoxifying. So this is a brand new one, as you can see. I'm opening it, and then first thing in the morning, it's not a drug, it's not like there's a dosage. It's just like drinking cucumber juice. So first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, we take the aloe vera to cleanse our systems. Before anything else, to boost your immunity, to cleanse you for the day. So putting this in the polluted body that we have created by all the things we're taking in, you can see it cleanses from the inside out, from the bottom up. And if you notice, there's some particles, those are like roughages, like the roughages from an orange. They actually act like the brush, the cleansing agent, as well as the liquid sap of the aloe. But we're clean, but we still go out and we're exposed to smoke. We drink things we shouldn't drink. We eat things we shouldn't eat, and that's us covered. So at the end of the day, you're covered. So if you continue to do this every day, gradually your body starts to behave the way it was made to behave. Your immunity is boosted, impurities are removed from your body, toxins are removed, you start to feel like